DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, I got the bead broke. The bead naturally broke on the other side, but I just figured out how to break the bead on this side. It's just lower the bucket on it. Finally getting some new tires for this baby. So let's do that. Oh yeah, I blocked up the axle. And there you go, one bead broken. It beats using a hammer. Yeah, baby. Alright. Now I gotta pry it off of there. I got a tool. I don't know if I used this before or not. But anyway, I watched the guy on YouTube do it. This should be fun. Alright, let me keep fucking with this. Okay, I was able to leverage this side off. Just work my way around and beat it in with the hammer. You know, in certain places. So this side's out. Wow. I gotta get it off of there. That shouldn't be too hard, right? Lots of fun. Alright, let me play with this. Jesus. Okay, I think I'm getting it. Start a lever to get it out right there. Hope I don't drop it on my toe. Looks like she's coming. I think that's got it, Scotty. One tire off one rim. Oh, the plugs I put in this fucker. There's one more tire, but maybe fill it up with concrete and have it use it for a stand or something, huh? Like I did for that, my grinder. Make a nice stand. I'll use it for something. It ain't going to the dump, I'll tell you that. Alright, that new one should be here in a few days, so maybe the mounting is harder, I don't know. I'm going to take both of them off, get the other side done too. At least I know how to break the bead. I don't need a big hammer, you know? Bump, bump. I think it's important to clean these too. You know? There's nothing worse than a slow leak, so I'm going to wire brush these. Maybe hit them with the grinder or something. Not the grinder, but the sand wheel here, flop wheel. Make sure I don't have any fucking leaks when I put this on. And don't forget the new valve stems. I got some new steel ones. I hate those rubber ones. Give me steel, baby. I got all the nuts off on this side, except for one. There's a bunch of paint on it. I'm going to tell you something. You know what makes a great paint remover? Good old acetone, baby. Give me the acetone. Makes a great paint remover. Well, a pretty good paint remover, in my experience. I think between muriatic acid and acetone, I got pretty much everything covered. Well, not really. There's penetrating oils and shit. I'm gonna screw it back in. Batteries are almost dead on this. I may have to just use a cheater, force it off. Look at that, it's coming. See? Good old acetone, baby. Must have lost some washers at one point. So this one's loose, I believe. Let's take it off. Washer. It is high enough. I can make it higher. There we go. I'd hate to do those. Alright, lift up. There you go, sweetie. Yeah, nice place to rest. I firmly believe in blocks of wood for stuff, you know? I gotta get it past there. I've got room. I don't know. Take it to the discombuberation station. Close this up. Move this over there. Ooh, tight squeeze. Turn the corner, baby. Alright. Alright. So there's this side. Did you fall down? Why'd you fall down? Your instability? You have instability issues? Or stability issues? I'll let the air out of it. I have just the same. There it is. It's supposed to be in there. Pull out the Schrader valve. I think they call it a Schrader valve. I might give it a new one. Well, I'm getting new valve stems anyway. So then we'll set this on the, we'll break the bead using the bucket. I gotta raise it up. I was bending these. These are for car tires, not backhoe tires. Alright, let me break the bead on that one. Well, I busted it. Might have gone too far. Let me raise it up again. Hello, Mr. Bismarck. Oh, I haven't seen you yet. There you are. Hey, that one was busted. One bead busted. One nice thing about heavy equipment, at least a backhoe and a loader, is you don't ever need a jack. The jack's built in, baby. Alright, well, fun times at Ridgemont High. Is this the side I want to do first? Maybe there's another side. Maybe I need to do the other side first. I don't know, man. Yeah. Looks like this is the side you gotta do first. Because that has a ridge, you see that? So you gotta do this side first. Push down on this one. And leverage on this side. Yeah, this is fun. I'm not quite sure how I do this. I think you just gotta hammer it in there and work your way around, maybe? I don't know. Whatever works. Close this one down. What's up, Perdita? I see you. Hi, Perdita. Oh, I almost stepped on you. There we go. And then it's just a matter of working your way around and getting it off. Da 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 da. Onward and upward. Okay, I'm gonna clean these rims. Found my die grinder. Anyway, then I'm gonna paint them. So I'm gonna do that. This is boring. I'm doing the final sanding on this. I did the, the die cutter. I'm just doing it by hand here to get this final, make it nice and smooth here, because the last thing you want is a slow leak. And then I'm gonna paint it before I mount the tire. So this is tedious, but this is when you want to do it. The only time you can do it. Feel, make sure it's nice and smooth, there's nothing sticking up. Onward and upward, kids. Onward and upward. Oh yeah, this is 600. Made by Rhino Redline. Redline makes the best sandpaper ever. Better than 3M, I think. Made in Portugal. Look at that. Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Portuguese? Look at that rhino. Okay, I'm ready to paint these. I got them nice and smooth. So I'm gonna wipe them down with some Ace acetone. Get it nice and clean for the paint. I'm just painting this. I'm not going to paint the outside either. Just the guts of them. Wipe them down with some good old acetone. Get rid of any grease, oils, dirt. There's one thing I hate, it's a slow leak. You know what I mean? I sanded this too, the valve stem. I'm getting some steel valve stem. They'll be here tomorrow. So now we get our very best paint, Valspar. You can't find this anymore, but this has a lot of pigment in it, which you'll see in a second. There was a place in LA, somewhere outskirts of LA, the guy had a thing, a shop or a warehouse or something, and I bought a bunch of this. Because this is the very best spray paint. I was selling this on eBay, different colors, for like 20 bucks a can. Anyway, watch how good this is. This is how you shake a can of paint. You shake it like this, and you rotate it as you're shaking it. This is how the professional spray painters, taggers shake it. You don't shake it like that. You just shake it on the side and slowly rotate it. You see what I'm doing? When the ball is rattling all the way around, it means all the pigment down here has been incorporated. So look at that. You won't get that out of Rust-Oleum, you know. Ace acetone. See that? One pass coverage, baby. Look at that. There's some serious pigment in here. That side's done. Let's flip it around to this side. Yeah, I hate slow leaks. They're the most frustrating thing, you know? It's a little cool. It might be too cool for spray paint, but okay, that one's done. Let's turn ourselves around. Do this side, this one. Gotta clean it off with Ace acetone. It evaporates real fast. Forgot where I started. Let's start at the valve stem, so we know where. There it is. So we know when we're done.
it is. Clean that off too. There we go. And then you shake it every once in a while. Yeah, they don't make it spray paint like this anymore. At least not that I know of. I like to say we've lost the technology to, make so much stuff because I don't know why they cheapen it, and they save a few bucks or they save a few pennies on each can. They don't put any fucking pigment in it. And then California has changed the formulas, so you can't have good paint in California anymore, so you gotta go to Arizona because the environmental idiots have ruined it. Like even Thompson's water seal, that's not even close to what it used to be. It's been totally reformulated so it doesn't work as well. Oh, and then you got your water-based bullshit. Water-based on paint. Give me a break. I guess on house paint, but fuck. Paint is not designed for water-based. Alright, we'll let these dry and maybe give them another coat. Tires should be here anywhere from, it's Sunday, so anywhere from Monday to Wednesday I'll get my tires and then we'll have fun putting them on. Okay, onward and upward. Yeah, here's a little trick I use to, a lot of times you can't, you gotta read the label and shit, so I'll just spray a little bit in here and dribble it down around the outside. So now I know immediately this is gloss black, right? And I generally save these. I don't know what to do with them, but I save everything.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.